Welcome to the Mueller Electric Closeup Clips, where you'll get a demonstration and how to use our products. This video will showcase how to properly assemble a BU-32614 stackable, retractable banana clip and attach it to a 10-gauge wire.
Hello, this is Cliff at Mueller. I'm here today to show you how to properly install a 32614 10 banana clip to a wire.
Following are the 5 steps. 1. How to solder it. 2. First, you need to cut the wire 1/8 of an inch. For simplicity, the solder of the wire is already completed. 3. Install it at a 45-degree angle. 4. Take the retractable shroud and put it into the bigger plastic piece. Take the spring, put it over the banana plug. 5. Install through the back. Take the rear cap, and there's an order that it goes into that you can take it and just snap it into the back. We have just made a BU-32614 attached to 10-gauge wire. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.